guys, today we'll be improving our platformer game. So let's jump into the video right now. But first, please subscribe, like this video, and share this video to support me. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to keep updated in my videos all the time. And also, I will not show you the preview until the end. So the gameplay of this game will be at the end, so no previews because this is the last improvement of our game. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. So guys, let's start improving our game by making more spikes. So let's just speed this process up now. Okay guys, now we're done putting and fixing the spikes where they are. Now let's make more levels of this platformer game. So guys, I'm gonna make one more level and make this game finish when the player passes this level. So yeah, because there's so many bugs in this game, and it's literally my first time of making this platformer game. So after this, I'm just gonna make an end screen and finish this whole vlog. This is a hard time for me. I wanna quit this and I wanna finish this thing early because I don't wanna get stuck with it in a few longer time. And also, let's just speed this process up. yeah, we're finished with the last platformer or level. Now I'm gonna do the end screen and finish this video off. But before we finish it, we will have gameplay, of course, the last gameplay of this game. So yeah. Okay guys, we're finished with all of the process. We're done with this game. Now here's the gameplay. So guys, that's the gameplay of this game. So yeah, we're finished with the game. We're finished with the game. Yeah. So it's time to say goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video right here, and see you guys in the next video. So I'm not gonna go back to this game right here and improve this game. So yeah, and see you guys in the next video.